Will someone let me in? Hello, boys and girls. Today we'll be making your very own DIY terrarium. Here's what you'll need. A flat nose screwdriver, needle nose pliers, tweezers, various items from nature. There's some moss, some peat, is this peat? And some very small animals, and a light bulb. I have a variety of light bulbs here. My favorite wattage is 8. Oh, there's a good one. Let's get started. First, put on your safety gear. And kids, if your parents are around, remember what I told you to tell them. Mom, Dad, I've got this. Leave me alone. It's time you start letting me live my life the way I want to. And I am seeing Michael tonight, and we are going to the drive-in. First, take your needle nose pliers and remove the metal tip. Can we come in on this a little, please? Thank you. Let me just... Next, take your screwdriver and break the black glass. Oh, Lord! Would you hurry up, please? I'm trying to do a craft here. Thank you. She's new. Next, take your screwdriver and break the inner tube known as the inner tube. No, this moss isn't natural enough. With the light bulb done, let's head out into the wilderness and collect some nature. This way. Collecting nature. There we go. Oh, what a wonderful day. Oh, Lord. Well, what you would have seen is I was going to take this and put it in the bulb, and we'd all had a nice laugh. And there you have it, your very own DIY terrarium. I don't have a ride. I'll make you a craft if you give me a ride.